Alright, this is a video for 3HT. Today we're going to start with a new chapter, chapter 6, about parabolas and equations. So this one's going to be a bit similar to chapter 3, because here we see parabolas and we need to calculate like the vertex and the coordinates of the x-intercepts and the y-intercept, all of that. And there will also be some new things here, right? But overall, very similar to chapter 3. So in this, in the beginning, we're just going to do some basic things, and I made a copy of exercise 3, which I have over here, and that's what I want to discuss in this video. It says here the sketch on the right shows the graph of fx equals minus x squared plus 2.5x plus 5. So here we see the parabola, and we see 3 points on it, points A, B, and C. Points A, B, and C are on the graph of f with ax is minus 2, so the x-coordinate for this point is minus 2. So if I make a line straight down here, then the value there is minus 2. And the value for xb is 0, and we can see that here. And the value for xc, so the x-coordinate for this point, is 2. Alright, so that's the values that we know. And we need to calculate ya, yb, and yz. Okay, so for ya, we know that the x is minus 2, so we're going to take the minus 2 and put it in the formula. So we're going to fill that in. And then we have minus 2 squared plus 2.5 times minus 2 and then plus 5. Well, if you calculate this, you get minus 4. So that means that here we have minus 4. And that's ya. Now for yb, we need to take 0 and fill that in. So f0. So you have minus 0 squared plus 2.5 times 0 and then plus 5. So the outcome of this is going to be 5. And then for yz, here we have 2, so we're going to fill in f2. So you have minus 2 squared plus 2.5 times 2 and then plus 5. So this is going to be 6 if you calculate that. And this is how to calculate ya, yb, and yc. So then we're going to go to question B. It says here, find out whether this point, and that's minus 1.3.5, is that on the graph of f, yes or no. So what we need to do is we're going to take the minus 1 and we're going to fill that in and then see if the outcome is going to be 3.5. So you have minus 1 in brackets squared and then plus 2.5 times minus 1 and then plus 5. Now if you calculate this is going to be minus 2.5. This is going to be plus 5, and this is going to be minus 1. So you have minus 3.5 plus 5 is 1.5. And 1.5 is not 3.5, so the answer is no. Point P is not on the graph. Alright, so this was exercise 3. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.